Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. So let's go for the question of the day. We're almost there, guys. So have you ever considered taking makeup classes? I already did. I already had 2 live makeup courses where I live. One where I live and one in Cairo, and I have already had bunch online courses. They are so useful and I love them so much, and they add a lot of value for me. So yeah, I had a bunch of them online and in real life, like in person. Yeah. So yeah, I guess that's it for this question. So let's go for the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.